Hi to everyone. Now we are going to see the topic is discrete mathematics. In this topic we are going to see the subtopic generating functions. Generating functions provide a means of studying sequence of real or complex numbers, and it is one of the most powerful tools for solving recurrence relations. Recurrence relation is known as the difference equation because they can be written in terms of the difference between the consecutive terms of the sequence. The general idea in a recurrence relation is that it expresses a general term of an unknown sequence as a known function of its earlier terms. Definition of generating function. The generating function of a sequence S with terms S0, S1, S2, etc. is the infinite sum. The mathematical expression is g of s comma z equal to summation n equal to 0 to infinity Sn z power n. That is equal to, you have to express this summation, we get S0 plus S1 z plus S2 z square and so on, where z is a formal variable. Next example, find the generating functions for the following sequences. First sequence 7 minus 4 3 0 1, and the second sequence 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2, 3 power 3, 3 power 4, etc., 3 power r, etc. Solution. The given sequence is 7 minus 4 3 0 1. Its generating function is g of s comma z equal to, the first coefficient term is 7, next one minus 4z plus 3z square plus 0 into z cube plus 1 into z power 4. You have to write the next step. 7 minus 4z plus 3z square, 0 into any term 0, so you neglect that. 1 into z power 4, we get z power 4. This is our generating function for the first sequence. The second sequence is 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2, 3 power 3, etc., 3 power r. Its generating function is g of s comma z equal to 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1 into z plus 3 power 2 z square plus 3 power 3 z cube plus etc. plus 3 power r z power r plus etc. That is equal to, anything power 0 value is 1, so we put 3 power 0 equal to 1. So 1 plus 3z plus 3z the whole square plus 3z the whole cube plus etc. plus 3z power r plus etc. That is equal to, the general form is summation n equal to 0 to infinity 3z power n. You have to write it summation n equal to 0 to infinity 3 power n into z power n. This is our generating function of the second equation. Next problem, obtain partial fraction decomposition and identify the sequence having the expression 5 plus 2z divided by 1 minus 4z square as a generating function. Solution. First you write the generating function g of s comma z equal to 5 plus 2z divided by 1 minus 4z square. So you have to factorize the denominator term, we get 5 plus 2z divided by 1 plus 2z into 1 minus 2z. Next you have to find out the partial fractions. You split it. 5 plus 2z divided by 1 plus 2z into 1 minus 2z equal to a divided by 1 plus 2z plus b divided by 1 minus 2z. In both sides, denominator term will be cancelled, so the numerator term 5 plus 2z equal to a into 1 minus 2z plus b into 1 plus 2z. Next find out the a and b value. So put z equal to 1 by 2 in this equation, we get 5 plus 2 into 1 by 2 equal to a into 1 minus 2 into 1 by 2 plus b into 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2. The next step, 2 will be cancelled, so we get 5 plus 1 equal to a into 1 minus 1 plus b into 1 plus 1. So 6 equal to 0 plus 2b, we get 2b equal to 6, so b equal to 3. The next you put z equal to minus 1 by 2 in that equation. So 5 plus 2 into minus 1 by 2 equal to a into 1 minus 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus b into 1 plus 2 into minus 1 by 2. The next step, we get 5 minus 1 equal to a into 1 plus 1. So because minus 2 inside the bracket also have a minus, so minus into minus plus a into 1 plus 1 plus b into 1 minus 1. The next step we get 4 equal to 2a plus 0. So 2a equal to 4 means a equal to 4 by 2. So a equal to 2. You substitute a, b values in equation number 1. We get g of s comma z equal to 2 divided by 1 plus 2z plus 3 divided by 1 minus 2z. The denominator portion comes to be numerator. It comes inverse. So 2 into 1 plus 2z the whole inverse plus 3 into 1 minus 2z the whole inverse. The inverse formula is 1 plus x the whole inverse equal to 1 minus x plus x squared minus x cubed. This is our formula for 1 plus x the whole inverse. Using this formula you have to expand it. So 2 into 1 minus 2z plus 2z the whole square minus 2z the whole cube plus etc. plus 3 into 1 plus here 1 minus x power minus 1. Formula is 1 plus x squared plus x cube plus etc. So you put 3 into 1 plus 2z plus 2z the whole squared plus 2z the whole cube etc. Next you have to write in the general form. So 2 into summation n equal to 0 to infinity. The first term having the alternate signs plus minus goes like that. So you put minus 1 power n into 2 power n into z power n plus 3 into the second term having all terms are positive. So you put 2 power n into z power n. And the last step, g of s comma z equal to 2 into summation n equal to 0 to infinity. Here minus 1 power n into 2 power n, we have to write it minus 2 power n into z power n plus 3 into summation n equal to 0 to infinity 2 power n into z power n. Hence the required sequence is s of k equal to 2 into minus 2 power k plus 3 into 2 power k. This is our solution. Thank you girls.